Did you know that last year the online metaphysical industry was worth $2.2 billion? Did you get some of that? Do you want some of that? All right, thumbs up. Let me show you how. All right, so right off the hop, this is not a get rich quick video. This is a video on how to succeed, how to get to success. Hi, I'm Char. Welcome to my success tips and tricks on my channel here. I am an online entrepreneur and I really put effort in to upping my online presence, and the knowledge that I gained from that, I am very, very excited to share along to you. I want you to succeed as well. All right, so it is a long, hard go, and it is not an overnight thing. However, I have been playing on Twitter. Now, a lot of people, they don't really like Twitter. They don't really understand Twitter. And what do you mean? How does Twitter incorporate into $2.2 billion? So the metaphysical industry in 2019 online was worth 2.2 B. That's a lot of scratch. Now, I have noticed as a YouTuber, diversifying my social medias, where I spend time, where I engage with other people, where I share my story, has drastically improved the return on my channel. So I have increased my presence on Twitter. I started a Twitter account in March of this year, and this last weekend I have reached the 1,000 follower mark on Twitter. Yay! Thank you all for joining and being a part of this. My Twitter family over there is very engaging, very intellectual, very caring, very lovely. I have literally handpicked the people that I follow, and I have a wonderful, wonderful metaphysical community over there. So are we making all this scratch? No. However, Twitter has become a very important business hub. It happens so fast. Every millisecond, somebody is putting something up on Twitter. And I have found the engagement, as quick as it is, when you're sitting there, you're waiting for the bus, you're on your phone, make a tweet, promote your business. I find a lot of people in the metaphysical, in the art, and in money sectors. Metaphysical, business, and art. Because I do create, I do present, sell, and serve metaphysical, and business is a very important part of this, especially to people who are really wanting to turn their metaphysical practice into a full-run business. You need to look at things like marketing. You need to look at things like, how are you promoting yourself? How are you telling people that you're here to give them this service? How are you telling people that, hey, I have something wonderful I want to share with you? Okay, so I bought myself on Gumroad a book, a course, a digital course. Actually, I've bought a few of them this last, I guess, month and a half. I have seen such drastic results, and I have learned such an immense amount of knowledge about how Twitter works. I am so excited to share it with you. This has been put on by The Giver. The name of the book is Get the World Talking, Mastering Twitter Engagement. And when I bought the course, I was like, okay, I want to up my Twitter game. I want to level up. And so I was reading through it this last weekend. These are my notes. This is my notes on this course. I've got 15 pages of notes here, and it's not a hard course to follow. What he talks about is ways of formatting your Twitter to look more professional. How to set up your bio, how to format tweets. Now, when you're formatting tweets, as with every social media site, there is a way to format your tweets. There is a way to make your business point, get it across. There's a way to turn lookers into engagers. There's a way to turn engagers into buyers. Okay? I've noticed personally my readings have increased following these steps, upping my level on Twitter because it is so fast-paced. And I do have a good circle of people around me. And it's just, you know what? A lot of people are tarot. For real. A lot of people are business. For real. And a lot of people are art. And those are the 3 things I'm focusing on. So it's not just pushing my videos out there. It's actually meeting with like-minded people and learning how to engage with them in a proper manner. There's Twitter etiquette that gets talked about. Understanding tweet formats that work. And he actually gives you like 11 templates on structured tweets. Where am I here? See? I've got all these pages on structured tweets. How to structure it, where to put what words. Also being a copywriter and taking this course has been like, wow, your headlines are amazing. How to write great grabbing headlines. How to DM somebody properly, not just hit them up with the hey, how are you? How to actually engage in the direct messages so that you can maintain a professionalism. The way that the book is written gave me a lot of points of self-discovery with the examples that are given. It's very clear. You can transpose these business examples into art, into metaphysics, into business, into fashion, into beauty. The examples that he gives in this book, you can take and sit and do the work along with it and find your niches or find these points in your niche. Okay, which really, I've been doing this channel for a while, has opened my eyes. It gave me some definitive points to look at. It gave me some definitive points of where I want to promote this channel and what it is that I'm doing. So also with that is setting up a proper bio, using all the characters that you're allowed to maximize the information that you are putting on your front page and how important it is. All right, so I am over the moon about this book that I bought. I also have been invited into the affiliate program, which I'm so grateful for because I would be doing this video regardless, but if you choose to click my link today, I do get a percentage of it at no extra cost to you. So the bonus part about that is you can ask to be an affiliate as well. And you know what? I don't regret investing this $50 into myself. I regret not doing it earlier. For real. The way it has leveled up my Twitter, the way it has leveled up the way I look at business, the way it has leveled up my perception of myself and what I can give to the community in my special niche. You know, we're feeling like we're floundering a little bit or whatever. This book has helped give me guidance and help me really specifically dig my heels into the dirt and ask myself questions that I needed to ask myself in order to level up. So honestly, I want a part of that $2.2 billion that the metaphysical industry has provided the internet. And I want you to have a part of it too. I want your business to flourish. I want you to do well. So because this is an affiliate link and I do benefit from it, I can tell you the benefits that I got from this book far outweigh anything I'm going to get by promoting it. I promise you that. And you guys know I only promote what I love. Seriously, there's not a lot of promotion going on here. I promote what I love. And this has given me such an insight for more sales, for more bookings, for more engagement, for a wider audience, for etiquette, for business, for more followers, and for more success. Like, seriously, I cannot recommend this enough. So, well, I bought it for $49, and it's $50 well spent. You know what? Honestly, it's a night out. Take that night. It took me 6 hours to do the book and take my notes and start implementing immediate results. This book teaches you how to create for engagement, which is what we all want. We don't want just little looker-loos or scroller-bys. We want people who are supportive, who are engaging, who are team you and want you to succeed, who participate, who retweet, who talk, right? Who share. So part of that is like building up your business as well. All right, Twitter isn't complicated and it doesn't need to be. And get the world talking. Mastering your Twitter engagement really, really hones in on how to set yourself up for success. And it really doesn't matter what niche you're in. But in my niche, I know I'm going to get myself a piece of that $2.2 million pie. All right, that's it for my video. I want you to succeed. So if there are any other questions you have about how I'm crawling up to success, we've gone from 1,000 to 7,000 subscribers this last year after becoming monetized. So thank you all so much for that. We're at 1,000 followers on Twitter, and Instagram is almost at 1,000 as well. But right now, really focusing on Twitter because that's where I'm finding I can push business and things like that a little bit more comfortably, a lot easier, and just it's quick. I highly recommend it. All right, thanks you guys. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think. I will put my link to this book where you can go and buy it down as the pinned comments. Let me know what you think, you guys. All right, I hope your day is great. I wish you all the success in the world, and I'll see you next time on the Success Playlist.